Hello, welcome to my channel. In case you don't know me, I'm Sayura's Review. If you haven't done it yet, do it now, it's free. One of the standout features of the Vevor folding cart is its folding design, which allows for effortless storage and transportation when not in use. With a simple pull of the handle, the cart folds compactly, making it convenient to store in a closet, trunk, or garage. This space-saving design is particularly advantageous for those with limited storage space or frequent travelers who require a portable carrying solution. Whether you're hauling groceries, beach items, camping supplies, or gardening equipment, it's reliable as its spacious interior offers ample space for large, bulky items, while the adjustable handle allows for comfortable towing at different heights. Includes built-in cup holders, pockets to store small items, and a removable canopy to protect you from the sun. It has large all-terrain wheels, which allow smooth maneuverability on pavement, sand, and grass. Made with durable materials ensuring long-term durability, offering peace of mind knowing that your investment will last for many years. The reinforced steel frame provides structural integrity, while the 600D polyester fabric is wear-resistant and easy to clean, even in adverse conditions. Don't wait any longer.